Welcome to BLVD.com. I am Dan, the Wheelchair Van Man. And in front of me is a 2025 Chrysler Pacifica Select Plus. This has a Brownability power modification with a power fold-out ramp. It's a one-touch system. Simply activate the Chrysler key fob. Power door is going to open, followed by the ramp deploying and the vehicle kneeling to the ground. What we just saw there was a fold-out ramp. We can also do an in-the-floor ramp on this exact same vehicle. This has got removable driver and passenger seats. We could support both a driver or a passenger application with this vehicle. Being it's Select Plus for 2025, it's going to come standard with home theater entertainment. It's going to give you the panoramic glass roof. It's going to have a built-in vacuum directly from Chrysler. It's going to feature all of the safety features such as cruise control, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, front and rear cross path detection. It's also going to give you heated steering wheel, heated seats, factory remote start, plus much more. If you're looking for new 2025 Chrysler Pacificas that are wheelchair accessible, check out BLVD.com. Got over 5,000 new and used wheelchair vans for sale, ready to ship directly to your home or your business. These vehicles are going to have modifications from Brownability, VMI, Rolex vans, and many more. Basically one site, you can shop all. If you have a video that you'd like for us to cover on any topics or vehicles, let us know in the comments below. Again, shop over 5,000 new and used wheelchair accessible vehicles, both for personal use and commercial, at BLVD.com.